Good day, everybody. This is the Hermit Modeler coming at you with an update on my build of the Rebel 1956 Chevrolet Del Rey kit. And so far, I have painted it with, let me see if I can get back here so you can see these colors. Star Spangled Blue, these are all testers kits. Star Spangled Blue, Gloss Light Blue, the Blue Galaxy Color Shift to give it a metallic effect, and then that's oversprayed with Extreme Lacquer Clear Coat, Wet Look Clear Coat. I knew there was a word for that, Wet Look Clear Coat. And that's what's giving us the effect so far on it. I still have to buff this out, and I'll do one more, the Wet Look Clear. I think I can get by with just one more coat on that. And then I will be buffing that out and polishing it and waxing it. And it should give a pretty decent shine at that point there. It's not too bad now. And then there's the hood for it. I have the emblems in place on that. The ones on the back here, I don't know. You can kind of see that back there. The engine is in the chassis. The chassis is pretty well complete. And, oh, by the way, while I'm over here, this is the polishing kit that I'm using on it now. I get these at Hobby Lobby. I'm not as impressed with it as I was with I can't remember the name of the polishing pads that weren't really pads. They were like sheets that I had before. And I had those since, oh, sheesh, the early 90s, maybe even the late 80s, and they finally just all wore out on me. And I can't remember the name of them now to try and get new ones. There was a whole polishing kit. And if anybody can remember that name, would you please let me know? I really want to get some of those polishing pads again that they had. The interior was done in two-tone blue with acrylic paints. I know that probably would have been blue and white, but I wanted to follow that two-tone blue theme all the way through on it. Tires and wheels. Interestingly enough, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that is the wheel that comes with the kit, and it does not fit down into these white wall tires that come with the kit. So I robbed my parts box, and I found some that do work, and that's what they are. I'm still not sure whether I'm going to go with the stock hubcap there. I found some spinners, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe these come from the 62 Buick Electra 225 kit. That's my memory anyway of that. I believe that they come from the 1962 Buick Electra 225 kit. I could be wrong. That's where we are at on this kit at this moment. Probably the next time you see it, I'll have it completed. I still have to put the windows in, and basically I'm down to just assembly at that point, unless I find something else. I have a tendency that as I'm building along, I go, oh, this would be cool if I do this, and so I never really know what's going to happen with this. But at this point, it looks like this is what you're going to get. This is the Hermit Modeler. I'm thanking you for stopping by and for telling your friends. And be sure to tell your friends. I'm also hit that like button and that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you get the new episodes as they come along. And by the way, hey everybody, thank you. I've just gone over 200. I think it was like 203 followers now. I really appreciate that. And so I just wanted to mention that before I sign off. Anyway, thank you everybody. Take care and bye now.